And this is also a really perfect example of sebaceous hyperplasia throughout this specimen. And our little friend, the Demodex mite. This is Demodex brevis, the species that lives down in the sebaceous ducts, way down in the lobules. And then Demodex folliculorum is the one that tends to live up in the infundibulum of the hair follicle. So try that out on your friends at your next cocktail party and see how impressed they are. This may explain a lot about my social life, but oh, look, there's another Demodex. Look, I mean, they're just wanting to eat some sebum. They're not trying to cause a problem. As you know, some people do seem to have some sort of hypersensitivity or allergic response to them, and there's debate over what role they play in causing or exacerbating rosacea, at least in a subset of patients. But overall, although people online like to post on my videos and tell me that they invade your body and cause all sorts of terrible problems, overall, Demodex do not invade. If they get into the dermis, they will die. They can only live in the openings here of the sebaceous duct and the follicle where they munch on this fatty sebaceous secretion and don't usually cause any problems, again, except with those exceptions of people who have like demodicosis and a hypersensitivity kind of response to them.